it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So it's Thursday, November 12th, and I'm officially in the Christmas mood. So I have plans to go Christmas shopping this weekend. I just bought a new tripod, and I did not bring it in here, a handheld one. So if I'm moving everywhere, it's because my arms are weak. But so yeah, I want to put up the Christmas trees this weekend, because whenever I wait until the end of November or like the beginning of December, it just feels like there's not enough time to really enjoy it. So tonight I will be putting up a harvest tree in my bedroom, because I've had this like gangster leaning tree for like probably 3 or 4 years. I got it for like 50 bucks when it was on sale at Target a few years ago, and I decided that I wanted to get a second tree this year, just because I just want a tree that doesn't lean and one that was slightly taller. I didn't get an expensive tree like I really wanted to. Like I thought, oh, just go in and just get a nice tree, but I was like, nah, we'll wait until we get a house and then we can get a nice tree. Just priorities, you know. So I have this 7.5 foot tree that was 80 bucks from At Home. I only picked it up the other day, so I'm going to put that one in the living room. But we need to clean the living room. We have a lot that we're doing with the living room right now. So I just found a bunch of spots. Max peed on the couch. He's been peeing on the couch again lately. We broke that habit years ago, and I don't know what happened, but so I need to clean that up, and then we're going to be reorganizing the dining area. So we are going to make this pantry and stain the coffee station and the pantry to match, and it's a lot going on, so you'll see that hopefully within the next few weeks we get that done. So tonight I'm going to be kind of cleaning up my bedroom a little bit, just to get things in order for just the hecticness that's coming, the chaos that's coming with the holidays, the fun chaos, but it's still chaos. So I'm gonna I bought this when I was in college and just never got rid of it. And I mean, we need a lot of furniture. Like, we still have our college furniture, and there's nothing wrong with that. We've been out of college 2 years, and our finances, you know, like, what am I trying to say? You have priorities right when you finish college. Getting a place, you're building a savings. Plus we have 3 dogs, so it's not like your average just out of college and I'm getting money and I'm just living for me. Like, we came with responsibilities right out of college and getting a job. So I feel like this is gonna be so washed out because this room is so bright. But so anyway, that doesn't really fit anything, and it's small, and I don't like it. So I'm gonna move it to the living room, and hopefully I'm thinking about for Christmas I will just instead of buying cool things that I want, I'll buy furniture. But I really don't want to do that. I really want to buy the cool things I want. I want a GoPro 9. So I don't know. But hey Rocky. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing tonight. you guys, so we just finished making that haunted house. Actually, that was a bit ago, so I finally finished bringing that in here. So earlier there was something over there, and now I brought that in here. That was in the living room, and then the thing that was over there is in the living room now. I swapped them out, so because that just seemed like it was appropriate for the bedroom. We're figuring it out with the furniture right now. I'm trying to see what we have that we want to keep and move from there. I do not like the thing that's in the living room now. It's really small. I don't like it. So I'm tired because I ended up watching YouTube and cuddling with Max for a while. So now tiredness has worn on me, and I was on the phone with my mom from the time I cooked dinner until just now. Like, I'm not even joking. She would like call me and then be like, okay, I gotta call you back. Like, she called me 4 times tonight. I know we talked on the phone at least 3 hours. So I'm thinking I can put the tree there, but I don't want to because that's where Roxy usually sleeps. Her bed is usually right there. And I was thinking, but if it is right there, it'll be cute when you lift the window. You can see there's a Christmas tree in the bedroom. But then I'm like, it's going to block the window, pretty sure. So over here in the corner, it would just be there. And the dogs could chill there if they want to. I think that's what I'll do. So maybe I'll move that to over here or put that in my closet. I haven't figured it out yet. What are you doing? What you doing, Meg? He's so cute. Good morning, you guys. So the mailman, I have the laziest mailman. He's like the worst. I'm telling you. Can y'all hear him? He talks so freaking loud. So the worst mailman ever. He never brings our packages up. If he sees me outside, can we refocus his light? So if my mailman sees me outside, he will stop me so I can bring my own packages up. If I'm not down there and the package is small, he'll shove it into my mailbox. If it's too much for him to carry up the stairs, he'll just leave it at the front door of my apartment. So for my apartment, you have to come in through the apartment and then get to my apartment. So, and there'll be people in buildings far, far away from me. Their packages are at my front door. Like, it's ridiculous. But anyway, I got a package, and I'm thinking this is a mistletoe, but I'm not sure. It's really heavy. What is this, Roxy? What is it, Rocky Poo? Maxie, you're hitting her with your tail. Move, Max. You okay, Rocky? What's in this package, Rocky? What's in this bag? What's in there? Nothing that interests you. Oh! Okay, no, this is not my mistletoe. Okay, I got this black card revoked game for Thanksgiving. I thought it would be bigger than this. I'm excited about this. And then I got some pillowcases for the couch. I wonder if they're going to be cute. I will save these for when I'm decorating the living room for Christmas. Because right now it's still kind of in a harvest mode. And it's the 13th of November. So it's Christmas time. So I'm going to go ahead and put up the tree that I was going to put up last night. And then straighten up the living room a bit. Because I have a vet appointment at 3. And then tonight, I think I'm going to chill tonight and watch Harry Potter. And then tomorrow, since that place will be clean and stuff, we'll be able to go Christmas shopping and then come home and decorate. I'm so excited. Hey, Roxy. Look at her. Do you see her? She's just staring at me. Hey, girl. Hey. Sorting hat I got from Barnes & Noble a few months ago. I knew I was going to use it for Christmas this year. It's so cute. I ordered the actual sorting hat from Universal, but that thing was scary looking. Like, I ordered it because on the site, oh, it looks like the sorting hat. I know the sorting hat is dark and kind of creepy. Like, when you read the books, you know, his rhymes, sometimes they're kind of dark to me. So I was like, I'm fine with that. But then I was at Barnes Nobles and I saw this one, and it's about the same price, maybe like $10 cheaper actually. Yeah, this is $25. I'm pretty sure the one from Universal is $35 or $40. But this one's so happy. Like, it can be dark, but it's happy for the most part. So I called Universal and I was like, can y'all cancel that? Because I don't want to be sad. It's Christmas. So yeah, I'm going to use this as my tree topper in the room. I'm so excited for this, y'all. But the tree's on the floor. If I can show you guys, I have dogs everywhere, so you know. But the tree's on the floor. The dogs are here. Oh, I guess to help me. I'm just gonna go ahead and get it done because I'm really excited. I'm really excited about Christmas. Got the tree up. It took forever. It took 2 days to put this tree up. I really thought this was gonna be a spur of the moment thing last night, but I had to clean up. I still haven't cleaned up, but I had to reorganize things. Those lights are going crazy. It came with a remote. I have not figured out how to connect the remote to the lights, so they're doing their own thing right now. But it's really festive, so I'm really excited. So you guys, tomorrow morning we are going Christmas shopping. It's decor shopping mostly, but if we see some gifts for family and friends, then we'll grab them. But really, I just need a skirt for the living room tree. The new tree I bought was on the cheaper end, so we are gonna need filler for it. And so this year I'll get to do those the things you stuff the tree with, you fill in the spaces with. So I don't know if I'm gonna go festive with that or just traditional, like, I don't know, like if it'll be like a fine, like, you know, people put peppermints and glittery things in their tree, or if I'm looking more like pine cones or just something more traditional. I'm not sure where, like what vibe I'm going for just yet. Like, I want it to be cozy, very rustic farmhouse, but at the same time, not really. I'm not sure. So we'll see. I'm going to At Home. There'll be plenty there. Tonight I went out with my mom. We went to Hobby Lobby, Target, and Home Goods. Did not see anything there. So tomorrow I'm going to At Home, and if I don't see anything there, I might go to the mall, so Dillard's and Belk, to see what's there. I typically don't like the stuff at the mall because it's very traditional, and that's just not quite my vibe. But this is the first step of Christmas. I have up a tree in my bedroom, which is the first time ever for me. And I have a Harry Potter hat, well, sorting hat on top. So I'm very cheerful right now. It still feels like fall to me because, I mean, it looks fallish. Hope you like this mini vlog. It was just kind of a spur of the moment thing I started last night. I hope it entertained you in one way or another. If it did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you are already subscribed, turn on the notifications if you would like to keep up with me and the dogs and everything we're doing, especially for Vlogmas, because I think I have my stuff together this year. Like, I think I'll be on track. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to that, and I hope that you guys are there with me. Again, thanks so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.